If you want Peacock Premium for free in 2026, this video is for you. No illegal tricks, no fake hacks, just legit methods that still work right now. Let's jump right in. Method number 1, Peacock free trial. Peacock doesn't always offer free trials, but they do bring them back during promotions, especially around major sports events, Black Friday, new original show launches. When available, free trials usually last 7 days. Best move, check Peacock's official site, sign up during promo periods, cancel before the trial ends if you do not want to pay. This is the simplest option when it's live. Method 2, get Peacock free with internet or mobile plans. This is one of the most reliable ways in 2026. Some internet and mobile providers include Peacock Premium at no extra cost, such as Xfinity, select internet or TV plans, Instacart Plus bundles, limited time promos. What to do? Log into your provider account, look for streaming benefits, activate Peacock Premium from there. If you already pay for these services, Peacock is basically free. Method 3, student discounts and special offers. Peacock often runs student-only deals, sometimes as low as $1 to $2 per month, or free for a limited time. To qualify, use a valid student email, verify through services like ShareID. Even when it's not fully free, this is the cheapest legal option. Method 4, credit card and reward offers. Some credit cards and digital wallets offer streaming credits, free subscription months, cashback that covers the cost. Check your credit card rewards portal, check PayPal or app-based offers. These deals change often, but they are worth try checking. Important warning. Avoid websites or videos claiming unlimited Peacock Premium free, modded Peacock APK, cracked accounts. These are scams or illegal and can get your account banned or worse. Final verdict. In 2026, the best legit ways to get Peacock Premium for free are free trials when available, internet or mobile plan bundles, student and promo offers, reward and credit card perks. No hacks needed, just smart timing and checking the right places. And if this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more streaming tips. And let me know down below in the comments which method works for you. And that's all for this video, and see you in a new one.